Tired of dull skin and uneven texture holding back your glow? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best dermaplaning tools for women that can totally transform your skincare routine. From precision blades to easy grip designs, I'll walk you through what makes each tool worth trying. And yes, I'll share both the perks and the downsides so you know exactly what to expect. Let's uncover that smooth, radiant skin together. Let's dive in. Number 1. Overall best pick, Michael Todd Beauty Dermaplane Razor. 2 major pros. It removes fine peach fuzz and gently exfoliates dead skin, leaving the face visibly smoother and makeup gliding on better. The ergonomic design feels safe and much easier to handle than traditional dermaplaning razors. One con, the battery life is inconsistent, with some users reporting that the device doesn't hold a charge for long. Also, since the blades need regular replacement about every 8 weeks, the cost adds up. If you're comfortable with DIY skincare and want spa-like results at home, this tool is a strong pick. Just be ready for ongoing maintenance and cower care. Number 2. My second best pick, Spa Science's Dermaplane Razor. The SEMA razor impressed me in 2 major ways. First, its multi-speed sonic exfoliation technology left my skin noticeably smoother and makeup applied more evenly. No tugging or irritation, even in sensitive areas. Second, the rechargeable and cordless design with included blades makes it a convenient at-home spa-style tool, saving trips to an esthetician. On the flip side, while it's effective for light peach fuzz and dull skin, the price point is higher than many manual alternatives, and the learning curve is real. You'll want to go slow and steady to avoid nicks. Overall, if you're ready to invest in smoother skin and more professional results at home, this device is a strong pick. Just be ready for ongoing maintenance and power care. Number 3. My third best pick, Panasonic Women's Facial Hair Remover. This trimmer is impressively easy to use and feels thoughtfully designed. 2 major pros. The pivoting head adapts smoothly to facial contours, great for upper lip, chin, and brow areas. And the dual gentle blades with eyebrow attachments make shaping brows and removing peach fuzz fast and safe. One con, since it's battery-operated, AA required but not included, you'll want spare batteries handy and the blade units can dull over time, requiring replacement or resharpening. Also, if you have coarse facial hair, it may take several passes rather than a single quick swipe. Overall, it's a smart, convenient choice for at-home precision grooming of fine hairs and smoothing makeup-ready skin. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Finishing Touch Flawless Dermaplane Glow. This tool offers a lot of appeal for at-home dermaplaning. Pros. The built-in LED light does a great job highlighting fine hairs and peach fuzz, helping you target trickier areas like the upper lip and chin with more confidence. It also comes with 6 replacement heads, so you're set for multiple uses. Con. Some users find the blade isn't as sharp as professional tools, which means you may need to go over areas more than once, and a few have reported slight irritation if they press too hard. Overall, if you're a skincare enthusiast looking to try dermaplaning yourself, this is a user-friendly pick, but if you want ultra-precise professional-level trimming, you might explore higher-end alternatives. Number 5. Last but not least, my 5th best pick, VG Vogue Crest Eyebrow and Facial Trimmer. I recently used this compact tool and found 2 major pros. The built-in LED light is a smart touch for seeing fine peach fuzz and tiny hairs, and the 2-in-1 design, face shaver and eyebrow trimmer, works smoothly, no tugging or irritation, even around sensitive upper lip and brows. On the downside, while it handles lighter hairs very well, it can struggle with thicker or darker regrowth, meaning those with coarse hair may need multiple passes. Also, the battery life seems modest, so you'll want to recharge often if using regularly. Overall, if you're looking for a gentle, travel-friendly grooming solution for fine facial hairs and brows, this is a strong pick. Just manage expectations if your regrowth is heavy. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite dermaplaning tools for women? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.